Hello, my friends. I cannot wait to unbox this because I want to cut up all of the things. I just received the Be the Rainbow kit from Color Rush Studios, as well as the add-on kit. So I wanted to get right into it. That's really cute tissue paper. I've got to hold on to that for some mixed media work. So it came in this nice sturdy pizza box, and I've got a bunch of papers and tons of exclusives. Now, all of the papers are exclusive. What is not? I think the only thing I see that's not exclusive is this set of stickers. Oh my gosh, that's true. Okay, I'm going to put the goodies to the side quickly. I've never seen these stickers and they're adorable. And let's see what we have for the paper. Now, like I said, they're Color Rush Studio exclusives. And it has this gorgeous color palette, y'all. Let me get a little bit more light brought over here because it deserves it. So, guys, look at it. We're going to start. Should I separate them out? All right, let me separate them out. Hold on. All right, we have ascertained the situation here. So, I have two of each of these patterns. So, I'll be able to show you front and back at the same time. So, let's start with this. We have got this gorgeous butterfly extravaganza. They even have like the little directional like thingies. And it's on a really great grid. Now, it is a nice bright white core as well, which is fabulous because that is my very favorite way to go about these things. Okay, so next we have that. Let me show you the back side. Did I actually somehow, yeah. So the back side, okay, if it goes like that, is this gorgeous pattern. It is in the most beautiful aqua tone and it's rather fancy. Look at how fancy, guys. Ooh. Okay, and I might be able to come in just a little bit so we can see better. Okay, so we have those two. The next one to show you, and it will be fussy cut in its entirety, is this gorgeous set of florals. I love the bright saturation. I think it is fun and whimsical. We've got kind of these dotted hearts here and there within. I mean, it's absolutely a stunning piece of paper, and yeah, I'm smitten with it. The back side to that, you saw a sneak of it. It's a diagonal stripe. Diagonal stripes are my favorite, and this daffodil yellow, more of a lemon yellow, is perfect. The next piece of paper, it is awesome, guys. Look at this. It is a rainbow on a grid. It is white with a nice bright blue, but look at these little, like, kind of just, at first I was like, is that rain? You know, because it's a rainbow, so it could be rain, but it's also really fab little dotty bits. Very nice. And then the flip side to that is this really fun plaid, nice and bright and gorgeous spring into summer colors. Then we have got a multi-dot. So super fun dot. It's on a grid. We've got lots of the aqua colors with little pops of pink and yellow. And then the backside to that, it's this really amazing looking viney kind of thing. White background, but just leafy bits going up. Very pretty. Interesting paper. Now this is super easy to use. This is an absolute mixed media done kind of thing. Clearly you can put it any which way, but it's awfully pretty. So I think, yeah, this was the top of it as intended, but you do you. That's gorgeous. So we have that. The back side of that is this great diagonal plaid. Oh, I'm so going to use this for matting. Super pretty. You know, the first color that pops is the limey green and then going into the pink. So that is fun. Let me see. Let me shimmy because I'm getting stuck on something on my desk. Okay, and then the last piece, we have a coral colored, very organized, repetitive dot. And then the back side of that, ooh, a very nice bright spring green. Reminds me almost of like a spirograph or something like that. So absolutely perfect. Love it. Super fun. Then let's see. Okay, our alphas. Look at how fun these are. These are Thicker's Sweet Rush. So we've got the bright white, but then we've got all of these gorgeous pops of colored tones, and it almost looks like they're like foam thickers that are all stacked up. Super interesting. Okay, so we have that. Then what is next? Oh, I always like to look at the frazzles and the ribbon to see what we have. She totally pulled it together. She's so good at this. So we've got a nice orchid gingham, and then an absolutely rainbow with polka dot, pom-pom trim, and a gorgeous turquoisey aqua with baby dots. Super cute. So this purple grabs the purple out of the alphabet. Super cool. The next thing we have are these pieces, and they are beautiful. We've got little puffy, oh my gosh, they're so cute. Little puffy hearts, and they're like shaker pockets with little glittery stars in them. So we've got blue, purple, pink, and yellow. We have 4. What to show you next? Oh, these are so cute. Look at these. We have 4 of these pieces too. They're like applique type things, and they're florals, and they're so pretty. So they're, they're like a fabric-y applique. Love that. And then, guys, we have 2 exclusives that are amazing. Look at this wood piece, right? And it's wood and acrylic. So it's a gorgeous frame. Oh, but wait, look at this. Okay, how is the best way to take this out? I'm gonna have 5,000 pieces. So you can pop this out and use that piece, right? Then this piece has this rainbow inset. And then we've got like a Polaroid frame with a little acrylic heart in it. So many pieces within the one piece. That is so cool. Yikes, I gotta be careful. Okay, then finally in this kit, we have got this exclusive piece, and it's earthy. Look at this, guys. It's so sparkly. Reads the story for an acrylic. Oh my word. That is perfection. Absolutely beautiful. So sparkly. And it's all one piece. So you have a title done. And then, oh, but wait. Within that little bit, we've got a speech bubble, and you can inset this sweet little heart. So that is the main kit. It is incredible. Absolutely incredible. It is an awesome kit. I want to keep this with it because, I do mixed media stuff with that. And now let me show you the add-on kit. Let me keep all those little pieces without them getting boo-boos. Okay, the add-on kit, guys. The kit of the add-on. So we've got some papers and some embellishments in the add-on kit. Oh my gosh. How many? Did we get a bunch of the papers again? We did. Okay, deal with this for a second, guys, because I want to be able to show you this. Hold on. So guys, this is pretty exciting. I think we have one of each of all of those pattern papers. So, not that I was going to feel bad about fussy cutting things, but I can make a whole pile of fussy cutting things. So hold on. We've got this one again, this beautiful corally color with the spring green. Then we have got the plaid on the diagonal with our mixed media happiness, the multi-dot with the vines. We're still good there. Now, starting fussy cutting pile. Here we are, the rainbow. I am so cutting these out, especially since I know I have other ones. And the backside is a great plaid, but yep, that already has plans. And then this with these florals. Yes. Cutting every single tiny one out. Well, they're actually massive, but cutting every single one out. Love this, but I have 2 of them, so I'm super lucky, which means if I need more florals, I've got it. And then I'm going to cut all of my little butterflies out. I cannot wait. Okay, so I've got my little fussy cutting stitch going on. Then for embellishments in the add-on kit, we have got these really large hearts with the little stars in there once again. Now let me show you the difference. This is the add-on kit, and these are from the main kit. So we have different size poofies, and I love that. So it'll be so much more fun to layer. And okay, oh my gosh, look at these little puffy stars. Let me show you a couple of them so you can see how cool they are. Guys, they're like little pillows that are clear, and then they have the little shaker stuff in them. Oh, can you believe it? They're so cute. So we have them, and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And then finally, We have got some gorgeous woodcuts for me to paint up. A bunch of you asked if I would slow it down and paint it on camera, so I will make sure to do that on at least one. And, you know, I love using my acrylic markers for these, so I will be jumping in with them. Okay, guys, I have got to get going. There is a sketch of the month. You can run over to the Facebook group. I'll have that link down below to check it out. And we have to tell a story. It's like a story prompt, which makes it perfect to use the story right there. I'm going to fussy cut all these things out, and I'm going to get creating. So I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.